Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. As you can see, I have another Born Pretty product in my hand. This is the Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue, which is for nail tips. Now, if you saw my previous two videos, you would know this is part 3 of my nail haul from Born Pretty, and I have to say shout out to Born Pretty for sending a total of 5 products out to me, so stay tuned for the other 2 products. So anyway, on the packaging you can see that this is a product you can use for 6 items here. You can use it, or for 6 different things here. You can use it as a base gel, a nail strengthener, a nail tip glue, extension gel, a watercolor gel, which is like blooming gel, and a top coat. Okay, all right, so this is a 15 ml bottle, so it's a big bottle. This one should last you a while depending on what you're using it for. In today's video, I plan to use it 6 different ways. Yes, 6 different ways, or at least 5. We'll see. So anyway, as always with all of Born Pretty's products, they do always give you full instructions on how to use it, and this gives you instructions on how to use it all 6 ways. So there should never really be any questions on how to do it, because hey, the instructions always include a diagram, and I don't know about you, but I have to see stuff being done in order to do it the right way. So I appreciate that. And just so you know, this is only supposed to take 5 seconds to adhere. Let's see if you're using this as a nail glue. It's supposed to take about 5 seconds, so a quick flash cure to go ahead and adhere those nails or those tips to your nails. And it takes about 60 seconds to strengthen and repair your nails. Yes, because it can be used for that, and this can last up to and actually over 28 days. So long-lasting shine and everything, and shine because you can use this as a top coat, right? Okay, so this says also that it expires in 3 years, so that's good to know. So I'm going to go ahead and get right on into today's set. I am using all Born Pretty products in this. So what I'm doing here is my bare nails. Well, they're not bare. They do have a small coat of clear acrylic on it, and now I'm going in with the Born Pretty peel off base coat. Yes, I am. And their peel off base coat, you do cure. So I'm going in with 1 coat of this. Okay, and then after that we're going to get right into seeing what this 6-in-1 nail glue can do. Okay, so again, shout out to Born Pretty for sending out this product, and shout out to them for making all of these multifunctional products. I appreciate that, because that saves us money. Okay, save money. Oh, and if you also want to save a little bit more money, make sure you check down in the description box. Use my affiliate link and my discount code. Discount code is not too hard. It's OlenaRosanne, but make sure you spell it right or it doesn't count. Okay, so anyway, now I'm going in with these. These are double XL C-curved coffin tips. Now I am going to cut these in half, but I need y'all to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm basically flash curing these on, and then I'll go in with my bigger lamp and do a full 60 seconds. But you know, really it only takes a few seconds to flash cure them on, just like the box says. Okay, so I'm getting these on here, and what I'm going to do once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and just clip them, file the edges so they're already blended into my nails, and yeah, look, we're back like we never left. Okay, so now the second way I'm using it is to reinforce the tip to my nail. So what you'll see at the bottom of the screen on the left hand side, when we get to a new way I'm using this 6-in-1 nail glue, you'll see how I'm using it. And other than that, you know, if you are new to my channel or not new to my channel, you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you know when I actually upload videos. I have 2 previous videos prior to this of 2 other products from Born Pretty in part 1 and part 2. This is now part 3, so you may have missed that if you didn't have your notification bell on. Okay, so go ahead and make sure you have that on. Give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. That will let people know that, hey, I'm out here, you know, with some videos you may want to see. Yes, please and thank you. And you know, share this with someone and feel free to leave me a comment. I'm going to go ahead and be quiet, let you guys watch as I create these strawberries and cream gel nails using this 6-in-1 nail glue from Born Pretty all up and through this video. I will see y'all close to the end.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running around in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I love a strawberry sign on the sign next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh, baby, you, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just keeping it straight, 'cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way. Girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why. I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. I'ma say every day, you got me hypnotized. Take a shot on the dot, all we got is tonight. So can you call? Cause nobody knows how far we go. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Want you to know the silence so loud. I'm running out of patience. I need your love, babe. I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why. I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind.
at that. Strawberries and cream, please. I think this is really cute. This is me. And if you watch the whole video, you could see that this is really a beginner-friendly nail set. You can do this with, tips or without tips, whatever you want to do. And because this is strawberries and cream, why not do a little video in front of my actual strawberry plant? Yes, as the background. These are super cute. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, put on your notification bell, and I hope you come back to see me again. Talk to you later, roses. Bye.